PSL Pulse bafethu. It's the Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Makesi 0 at Orlando Amstel Arena. Mphethe ikhosi elihle lala bafethu bathi uScalo GP. Scalo GP abotwaka.
My brother.
Fair out time.
Compliments. How's it, my brother?
Compliment
Shout out,
mfethu.
my brother.
Asikhulume ngegame yafana. Oh hayi asiqale la mfethu. Usupport iKaizer Chiefs. Ukufika kwakho let's go dini today. Bo support iMakesi Orlando Pirates.
Ngihamba nenja yami uPK.
Okay, yeah.
So mengizoba supporter abomakhelwane angijazi ukuthi mangena uGundwane. Ngagijima mina. Umakhelwane kumele yimi kumele zombulelele uGundwane.
Ngikuzwa kahle mfethu, ngikuzwa kahle. So ngicela mfethu sikhulume ngegame yafana ne.
So, my brother.
Beautiful first half, beautiful second half. Who impressed you game yafana la?
Hayi iPirates idlalile bafethu. There's no need to hide behind the bush and say whatever to try to get likes and everything. iPirates idlalile. Yes, they were not really clinical, but if you check from the first half, really tried to come to the game. Hoto naye.
No, Hoto was not there.
Over number 11.
Oh, Muremi.
Eh?
Muremi.
I'm sorry about that. Yeah, so if you check, the guys, they really tried to play. So it was just unfortunate that the score couldn't be more than what we witnessed today, but it was supposed to have been more.
Yes, that's true.
Yes.
Thank you mfethu.
So, we are here the arena. What mina ungangibuzi ngarena?
Siyeza lapha ngithi sisasegame so ngicela ungitshele ngeMagesi nemfethu coming to the stadium today iliphi iplayer leMagesi oboworried ngalokuthi ngasi izohlupha iBhakaniya.
No, mina to be honest, you know Shipazes is always a trouble. It's not a captain for the sake of being a captain, he's a leader. Even though today uphayizile 16 minutes nearly 16 minutes. Baletha umunye umfana wa grade 7 lapha warm up lapha. Ngathi bafuna ukwenzani labantu. So, Shipazes, it was the player I was looking forward to, and then it disappointed me because I think it was 11 or 16 minutes. Already he was faking injuries. Baletha umunye umntana wa grade 7 agijima lapha. Ngathi hayi lesikole saka Sundowns lesaka 24 siyovela namhlanje.
Mamela Scalo mamela ne.
So my brother.
Eligini mfethu kusele iChiefs I mean eligini kusele iNedbank Cup kusele neLeague. Ubani othatha iNedbank Cup ubani othatha iLeague.
No, Chiefs iNedbank ayithathi ayidefend. That's number one. And then if you check Chiefs ayithi bathi ayina coach Chiefs. But
in the translate.
Yeah, but what is it? Imagine masithola icoach ukuthi what's going to happen. So Chiefs yoyithathi league
This season.
Yebo.
Okay, mfethu. Mamela. My last question to you.
Yeah.
The Orlando Pirates just hosted a new Orlando Amstel Arena. Ufila kanjani ngalthis atmosphere?
To be honest with you, I'm happy because such developments, we only see them in European leagues. But to be honest, I heard the stigma, hey, like me, myself. Arena, yes. It's fine. Arena! Yeah, so I was being mimicked and mocked here that, hey, Funane Arena, what. But there's a difference between a stadium and an arena.
What's the difference?
The difference is that an arena can host few people and a stadium can host a larger amount of people.
Arena is something we close on the top.
Please don't forget to subscribe. PSL Pulse, danko.